When you start your online print-on-demand business, your long-term goal is happy customers who come back for more. If you want to improve your customers' experience with your brand, you need a way to see things from their perspective. How can you do that? With product samples. In the next few minutes, I'll tell you 3 ways how ordering your own product samples will change the way you approach your business. So here's the first thing you'll notice when ordering a sample. Product quality of your print-on-demand provider. You get to review how your digital designs are printed or embroidered on physical garments, as well as the fabric quality and fit. If there are any crucial improvements necessary, it's better to identify them at this stage instead of finding out about them in customer feedback. Keep in mind that your designs will look brighter on your laptop or phone screen because they're backlit. With samples, you can compare the accuracy of colors and design placement. You might need to move the design, change colors, or take out certain parts of your artwork, or you could discover that using the entire print area is the key to making your design really stand out. Remember, the print-on-demand products you're selling should not only be attractive, but comfortable as well. So try them on and see how they fit. Next, you get an authentic experience with your brand. To better understand what kind of impression your brand has on customers, try being your own customer. Printful sends product samples to you the same way an order is sent to your shoppers. You gain insight into the whole unboxing process, from the packaging to the product's appearance, texture, and overall feel. This genuine product experience is valuable when promoting your items online. You get to create more personal and compelling product descriptions that boost customer trust and satisfaction. Lastly, you get to create marketing content. With real-life product samples, you can get creative and make high-quality product photos and videos to stand out from competitors that might only use Printful's default mockups. But don't let the garments collect dust. Get your friends and family to film themselves wearing your merch. With their consent, you can then use these videos in one of the strongest forms of marketing: user-generated content. People will trust your brand more when they see that others are wearing it too. Then, if you know of any online creators who promote upcoming small businesses, you can use your product samples to make an influencer bundle and send it to them. Simply put, getting samples of your print-on-demand products before selling them online ensures that they're good quality, gives you a real feel for what you're selling, and lets you make awesome visuals for marketing. With this advice, you can make customers happier and boost your chances of successful sales. Remember that with Printful, you get up to 3 sample products every month for 20% off. What else would you do to get the most value from your product samples? Let's discuss in the comments. Subscribe for more free marketing tips, and we'll see you next time.